Hello guys, Minnesota State Sirens here. As you can see, I got the Bolt from West Shore. Sorry I haven't made a video on it sooner. Just been waiting to kind of get this project rolling. I've been busy with school and other shit. But yeah, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be removing the horn. As you can see, there are two bolts inside of the horn. If you ever get a Thunderbolt and it's in this condition, what I'd recommend is getting some penetrating oil, which softens up the rust and makes it easier to get these off. And it softens the rust so you can get them off more easy. But I've already taken the whole horn off, and also I've taken the chopper out, so all of this should be good to go. It won't be hard for me, but I cannot guarantee the same for you when you get your Thunderbolt. Or if you already have one or whatever. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is take an adjustable wrench and get it nice and snug on the bolts inside the horn, like this. And then you don't want to loosen them. There it is. So I can probably get them off my hand now. So what I'm going to do now, grab a socket wrench. I do not remember what size. Alright, so they are 7/8. You want to take a 7/8 socket and put it on your socket wrench. It'll make it a hell of a lot easier now. The reason I didn't use this before is because it doesn't get all the way down. The actual wrench part is, or the actual socket part is too short. There we go. Now, I want to do the same with the next one. Sometimes putting them on top if they're loose enough and spinning the actual wrench will work. Like that. Alright, now that's socket. Go for that. Put it on. And take these washers off. And obviously you're going to want to collect the bolts and put them somewhere safe where you won't lose them. And now let's move on to where the horn is attached to the chopper. Alright, now we're going to be using an Allen wrench to get these off. You're going to want to use a 1/4 inch right here. See if the fucking camera can pick that up. Alright, now get that in there. And I'm twisting the wrong one, aren't I? Yep, I was. Fucking dumbass. Alright, I've detached the horn completely, so now I'm going to be moving it on the back, or moving it to the back of my golf cart, so I can transport it easier to the barn, more easily to the barn. These things are a bitch to off, especially because this, I would recommend using 2 people for this, but I have that luxury. These are good 80 pounds, so yeah. Now we got the horn off. Next, we're gonna want to move to the chopper. Alright, so I got it out. My camera died, so I apologize, so I didn't get it on video. But what you're gonna want to do to remove it is remove all 4 of these bolts. The reason why this one's still here is because it snapped, but as long as you can get the end out, you should be good to be able to lift it out. And yeah, just all 4 of these. And use an Allen wrench. I'll post right now, or I'll put text up on the video what size you should use, or what size they're. But yeah, this is what you should come out with. Do not remove these pins. I thought you did, but I was wrong. And then what happened was I accidentally lifted this out of there, which you do not want to do. And then I had to take the 4 pins off the top, or the 4 bolts off the top, which you're never supposed to do. Or you can do it, it's just a pain in the ass to realign them, but yeah. So once you remove these 4 bolts, not the 4 on the top, these 4, it'll be free and you can lift it out. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to be taking off the horn support and all the rotator side panels. That video should be out probably Thursday. So yeah, take care guys, see you in the next one.